Hey everyone, this is Taiki, and today you're gonna learn made particle. Made has one usage, indicator of a spatial, temporal, quantitative limit of an inanimate or animate object. What do I mean by that? I'll give you an example. First, temporal example. 昨日は9時から3時まで友達とテニスをしていました。昨日は yesterday 3時から9時まで here 友達とテニスをしていました。yesterday 3時3 o'clock から from 9時まで until 9友達 friend と with tennis をしていました。was playing tennis. Yesterday, as for yesterday, I was playing tennis with a friend from 3 to 9まで That's a limit of a temporal thing. Another example. アニメは9時半までです。アニメは9時半までです。9時半 half past 9. 半 means half. If you add it after G, something o'clock, it means something 30 past, half past something まで again until anime is until 9:30. Let's talk about spatial limit. 東京から大阪まで新幹線で3時間かかります。東京から大阪まで新幹線で3時間かかります。東京から from 大阪まで to from Tokyo to Osaka 新幹線 bullet train で indicate transportation method of a doing action. If you want to learn about で it's right here. You can check it out. 3時間 3 hours かかります take from Tokyo to Osaka by bullet train 3 hours. It takes 3 hours on bullet train to get from Tokyo to Osaka. That's a space, right? What about quantitative limit? この教室は50人入れます。この教室は50人入れます。この教室 this classroom 教室 is classroom この this は as for this classroom 50人50 people 入ります can fit this classroom can fit 50 people inside この家は10人入れますこの家は10人入れますこの家This house 10人10 people 入れます can fit This house can fit 10 people inside That is quantitative limit Think of まで as until Now what happens? You can use it with a verb too 私が行くまで待っていてください私が行くまで待っていてください行く go まで is indicating 私が行く I go まで until 待っていてください Please wait until I go there Maybe you got called to visit someone's house to fix something in the house You don't want them to try anything that's unprofessional So you tell them to wait until you get there 私が行くまで待っていてください Please wait until I go until I get there That is まで But if you add までに it's a completely different word までに by the time like due 明日までに宿題を終わらせる明日までに宿題を終わらせる明日までに by tomorrow 明日 tomorrow までに by 宿題を homework 終わらせる finish I will finish homework by tomorrow 来週までに日本に行く来週までに日本に行く来週 next week again にまでに by next week 日本に行く go to Japan I go to Japan by next week It's very simple One thing though, you only use this one for just one time thing. You cannot use this one for continuous action. You cannot use this one. Let me give you an example. 来週まで日本にいます。来週まで日本にいます。 I will be in Japan until next week. By next week. No, you cannot use need next week. Need Japan, imasu. In, imasu. Stay. I will be in Japan until next week. Since staying is a continuous action, here, continuous action, you cannot use made ni. That's it. That was made and made ni today. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of this. And if you want to have a private lesson with me, I have a link in the description below. You can check it out. And I'll see you in the next one. Until next time.